Hi, I'm Maya and I'm going to show you how to add a table of contents to your WordPress posts. There are many plugins that can help you with this, but I like to use the Kadence plugin. It's easy and flexible. But what if you have hundreds of posts and you want to add a table of contents to all of them at once? Don't worry, I have a solution for you. Just follow these steps. I'm going to share the link to this article in the video description or the comments below. First, you need to copy this code. This code will allow you to use a shortcode to insert a table of contents anywhere you want. To add this code to your WordPress site, you have two options. You can either paste it in the functions.php file of your child theme, or you can use a plugin called Code Snippets. I prefer the second option because it's simpler and safer. I have a video on how to create a child theme if you need it. Once you have the Code Snippets plugin installed, just create a new snippet, paste the code, give it a name, and activate it. Now you are ready to use the shortcode to add a table of contents to your posts. For example, I can go to this post and add the shortcode at the beginning. As you can see, a nice table of contents appears on the top of the post. But what if you want to do this for all your posts automatically? That's easy too. Just change the value of table of contents type to 1 in the code. This will insert a table of contents at the beginning of every post on your site. But what if you want to exclude some posts or categories from having a table of contents? No problem. Just add the IDs of those posts or categories to the excluded posts or excluded categories arrays in the code. To find the ID of a post or a category, just open it and look at the address bar. For example, the ID of this post is 22. And that's it. You have successfully added a table of contents to your WordPress posts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe so that other people can find it, and thank you for watching.